Now, children, we are going to discuss second exercise of this chapter, application of derivative. Applying derivative in the practical form. The chapter is called application of derivative. Now, in this second exercise, we will be discussing how to find the equation of tangents. How to find the equation of tangent and normal of the curve, of any curve. Suppose this is a curve, and from this particular point P we are drawing a tangent or a normal. So we will be discussing how to find the equation of the tangent or its normal passing through any particular point. Since the tangent and normal both are a straight line, and we know how to find the equation of straight line, this we have discussed we have done in class 10th. Equation of straight line, because tangent is also a straight line. So equation of straight line is the basic formula is y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. Now what is x1 y1? x1 y1 is the point through which this tangent is passing. At x1 y1 point is a point of contact which lies on the curve, and through that point the tangent or the normal is passing. So first of all we have to find the point of contact, and second we have to find the slope of the equation, slope of the tangent. And in differentiation we have studied that whenever we find the differentiated value, that gives also the slope of the tangent to any curve. Whenever we have any, suppose this is the curve and we have any equation, we differentiate that equation. That equation gives the slope of the tangent at any point on the curve. And we know that the relationship between tangent and the normal is what? They are perpendicular. So when lines are perpendicular, in class 10 we have done m1 is equals to minus 1 upon m2, or m1 m2 is equals to minus 1. So let us discuss one question, exercise 2, question number 14. Find the equation of till 15th 16th question. The variety is same. Find the equation of the tangent and normal. Both the equations we have to find. Tangent and normal to what? To this curve. From where? From this point. Passing through this point. Let this point be 1, 3. We have to find the equation of tangent. Can be anywhere. Tangent can be here, anywhere. So lots of tangent, finite number of tangents can be drawn through this tangent. So we have to find the equation of tangent and its normal through the point 1, 3 only. So this point. So two things we require: point of contact and slope. Point of contact is given to you 1, 3. Just we have to find the slope. How to find the slope? By differentiating the given equation. By differentiating the equation of curve. Differentiate this equation of curve. X to the power 4 is 4x cube. This is 6, 3, 18, x square 26, x 10, and 5 is 0. So this gives the slope of any tangent to this curve. Now we have to find the slope at particular where this tangent touches the curve at this 1, 3 point. So in this equation we can see that we have x only. So take out the value of x. X is 1. Put the value of x 1. We will get the value of slope exactly where this curve touches, where this tangent touches this curve at this point. So we have got slope, we have point. Put the value in the given equation: y minus y1, x minus x1. This is the y minus y1 is equals to m. We have got as 2, x minus x1 is 1. Simplify. Now equation of normal, formula will remain same, only the slope changes. Slope here is this 2. When lines are perpendicular, we have to apply this formula: m1 equals to minus 1 upon 2, m1 equals to minus 1 upon m2. Clear? Slope we have got, point will remain same, point will for this, and this point will remain same. Y minus y1 is equals to m, we have got x minus x1. Simplify. Now let us discuss two more questions of the same exercise. Find the points on the curve x square plus y square is equals to 13, the tangent at one of which is parallel to the line this. Now what is the question? Find the points, let the curve this is the curve going on. Find the points, it said points, not the point. Point can be 1, 2, 3, 4, any point, any number of points. Find the points on the curve at which if we draw the tangent through that point should be parallel, that tangent should be parallel to another line whose equation is given. Okay, so slope of the tangent and slope of this line should be equal. When parallel, the slope should be equal. So take out the, first of all, take out, we have two equations. We have two equations of curve, we have equation of the line. Take out the slope of this curve by differentiating. We have taken out the differentiate. X square is 2x, y square is 2y, dy by dx, 13 is 0. This is the slope. Take out the slope of this line also, because these two lines are parallel. So how to find the equation of line when equation is given? Put it in the form of y equals to mx plus c. Whatever is the coefficient of x is m, we have got m. This is also slope, this is also slope, and these two lines are parallel. Slope should be equal. So put the two slopes equal. Put the two slopes equal, take out the value of y. We have got y. Now we have to find the point. Point means both the coordinates x and y. Y we have got in terms of x. So put this value in which equation? This or this? We have to find the point on the curve, not on this line. Line is used to use the slope because they are parallel. We have to find the point on the curve. So put this value in the equation of curve because we want to get the point on the curve. So put this value in the equation of curve. X square plus y square equals 13. Put the value of y, 3 by 2x. Solving, we are getting x equals to these two values because this is a quadratic equation. Put these values of x again in the equation. We get two values of y. Now we get two coordinates, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 3. Clear? 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 3. Now the 18th question. What does the 18th question say? Now 18th questions say that find the equation of all lines having slope 2. All the lines having slope 2 and that are tangent to the curve this. Find the equation of all lines which are tangent to the curves and having slope 2. Slope should be 2 and tangent to the curve also. Now slope should be 2. So we know that curve is this much. This is the value of the slope. So how to find the this is the value of the curve, sorry. This is the value of the curve. How to find the slope of this curve? Differentiate this value. We have differentiated dy by dx is equals to differentiate this value and we are getting this value. This is what we get slope, and slope should be equals to 2 as per the question. So slope should be equal as per the question. So this value should be equals to this. So put this value equals to each other and we are getting x minus 3 whole square equals to minus 1 by 2, and this is not possible because squared value is never negative squared value is never negative, because square of any value should always be positive. So no such point exists. If the point should have exist, you should have taken out the value of x and put the value of x here, get the value of y. The coordinates you will be getting.